guys, in this video I'll be testing out the new Discovery LHD-NV 3 to 12 by 42. This is a high-end piece. It's said to optimize light transfer when used with a night vision clip-on and infrared illumination. Now this particular scope only comes in a 3 to 12 configuration because when used with the night vision clip-on, they typically add 3 to 4 times zoom to what you're already playing with. And unlike higher magnification scopes, this one has the ability to focus parallax all the way into 10 yards, which allows use for close range work like inside of a barn. Equipped with a detachable sunshade and lens covers, Discovery also makes a really nice night vision clip-on, but since it doesn't record audio, I'm going to be using the PARD or the one leaf until it's upgraded. So it's probably going to take me a couple of trips to get dialed in with this new setup, but let's check it out. Now these first couple shots are with my infrared lamp turned off. Peekaboo, I see you. Now while the IR isn't as bright as a regular flashlight, it still has like a red, dim looking light to it, which when you point it at them sky rats, it can tend to spook them a bit. And you don't want to give up your sniping location unless it's absolutely necessary. You see, for night work you want to be as stealthy as possible. Now that way you can remove them invasive critters and put them down. Now you can humanely turn their lights off before they even knew what hit them. Like the King Starlink Terminator is demonstrating right here. Okay, now let's turn the IR torch on. Bam! Now we can see their eyeballs in a little bit better contrast. Wind's howling through these bones pretty good. This here Discovery optics performing pretty good, in my humble opinion. And this here reticle's got just enough information without mucking up the whole background.